Hello everyone, welcome back to Blender Express. Today we will learn how to remove background in HDRI image. Let's get started. Let's say that we have a scene like this, and we want to use HDRI image as a light source. Firstly, switch viewport into render view and split into two areas. One for camera view and make the other as shader editor. Press N key or slide away the side panel. Change type of data from object to world. If we want our camera only to focus on our object, select Camera Overlay and go to Camera tab. Under Viewport Display, change Passepartout to 1. Now our camera only focuses on our object. Next, add Environment Texture node and plug Color to Color. Open the folder that we save our HDRI image. If you don't have one, please download it from Polyhaven website for free. Now we can see that our image has a scene light on it and also a background. For any reason, we don't want the HDRI background to appear in our image. So, let's remove HDRI image and retain its light source. Press Shift A and add Mix Shader between World Output and Background nodes. Then duplicate Background node and move upward. Connect the second Background node to the lower Mix Shader node plug. Press Shift A again and add Light Path node and connect Camera Ray to Mix Shader FAC node. As we can see, the HDRI image had disappeared, but the light source remains. Now we can control our background color using Background node. We can choose any color that we want. I want to make it black. Let's render our image and see how it will appear. We are done rendering image as we want. That's it for today. I hope that this video is helpful and please like, share and subscribe to help this channel grow. Thank you.